Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be iPadOS 18 features and tips. And right now we're gonna do the long-awaited control center by just tapping it down and changing it and adding new controls to it. And the limit of this is endless. And I love this feature so much because you can play around with it. Maybe you can add more shortcuts. You can move it, make it big, make it small. It's never been this customizable ever because it's been like the same control center for a real long time. So there's nothing you could do about it. And there's different pages, and that's where your music's gonna be. And your music does appear on the first page of the control center, and you can add it. And next we're going to customize the app color. So you press hold, customize, and then there you can just change the color, make it big, make it darker, micro. I don't know what I'm saying, but make it light or dark depending, and pressing the sun to make it light or dark, and adjust the widget too and all your widgets with it, and makes it light or dark. But I liked the white better because the other colors look so, I don't know, they don't look so appealing to me. But we'll see if I change my mind in a few months. Maybe they might improve it so then you can add customized colors, and the colors were really dull. I wouldn't say they're bright or nice colors, but that's something that Apple needs to improve on, is having good color choice. I mean, it's important when I draw and how my home screen looks. And yeah, now we're going to the Notes app. So here you can just add it, and all your note stuff is going to be in your drawing. So then the plus, you just do that, and you can refine your handwriting, making it more legible and easier to use. And yeah, so this is what it does. So then it changes it and makes it look better. Can't really tell with my handwriting because it's so good, but this is my original handwriting. It does make a difference even though I have great handwriting. And you can also add stickers, and I knew there's a reason why we had stickers in iOS 17, but now I know why. And now you can add stickers in a bunch of places, and you can duplicate it. And I wish they had add a border feature, so you can add borders to your stickers. And you can also change the color of the text that you have, and using the selection tool, and you can have all kinds of colors, not just the ones that they have already previewed on the button, but other colors. And you can add text boxes now, so it's kind of like a hybrid of Notability, and all the note-taking apps are gonna be so jealous with this. So yeah, and you can make it big or small. You just have to highlight your text, and then, or you just press it and then you can change it and then make it big or small. You can change the color, the font. It's pretty customizable, which, yeah, I'm still surprised that the Notes app has more features than the actual iPad. And now you can change it, make it big or small. You can bold it, highlight it, italicize it, and you can also use the fonts that have already been provided. But I'm sure that you can add fonts to it. Maybe I'll see how to do it, and then we'll make a video about it. because that's what I do. So you can add shapes. Especially love the dot bubble because why not? I think it's a pretty fun feature, adding shapes. It's making your notes look more creative and more cooler because it was so boring with just drawing. And you can also add a border around your dot bubble, and you can add different colors and stuff. You can make it big or small size. Doesn't matter. And I'm gonna do the calculator by adding the text box. Always need something to add the plus button, and it's really handy, and I think it'll be a game changer to add more stuff, not just shapes and text. So now I'm gonna calculate doing math just by typing because handwriting, it just doesn't recognize it better, but typing, it really does make a difference. And you can graph, but that's in the calculator app, and you can also do it in the notes. So yeah, that's the math that you can do. You can do a lot more stuff than what I'm showing you today. And yeah, but customizing the lock screen is probably one of my favorite things to do, so I'm going to show you what I do. First, we're going to do the calculator app. After the calculator, we're going to do what I want to do. So now you can make it from dollars to rupees and all kinds of conversions. It does math and it does other conversions, so you don't need to know math anymore. You just need to know how to use this calculator app, and it does so much more than you thought. The convert, I love the convert. It was there in the beta versions, so now we're going to customize it like I said we would. So now you can press and hold, customize it, making the font big or small. I don't know if this was in iPad 17, but maybe it was, and I just didn't recognize it. But yeah, so it changes color based on, but I like the rainbow one. Don't question it, just watch. And yeah, my favorite one would probably be the calendar one because it shows all the dates, and it also makes whatever day is darker, it shows what day it actually is and how many days are in the month. It's kind of an easier way than having to go into the calendar, and that thing is like a hassle. And I would like if they would have the like what holidays are there right there according to the day. So now this is the lock screen that you can press and hold on it, and then it'll change the language, and also it comes with this cool animation. I think the iPhone needs this background. Vote in the comments if you want that. And yeah, you can make it light to dark, change the color. I love this light to dark. Kind of makes it like spooky season is coming, and kind of like Halloween. And they could change it to just English, so then it every time you press it'll be hello, hello, hello. And it's cool, and I really like it, and I hope you guys use this wallpaper too. So yeah, that's iPadOS 18. I hope you guys enjoyed me doing iPadOS features. I really had a good time with y'all. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and stay tuned for more iPad, maybe Apple Intelligence coming soon. So see you guys later. Bye.